Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to install Python in your computer system. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome, type Python 3.8 download. So it will move you directly to the download directory of the Python. So click on the first link, the python.org, to download the Python from the Python website. So here we have a Python 3.8.2. The release date of this version is 24 Feb 2020. So this is the second maintained release of 3.8. So here these are the new changes in the Python 3.8.2. Scroll down to look for the download link. So here we have different versions of Python depending upon a different operating system. So for example, Macintosh, Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit. So before installing the Python or before downloading the software, you need to check which version of operating system you are using. So right click on your computer, click on Properties. You can click on Finish button to finalize your setup of Python for your Windows operating system. So setup was successful and you can close this window to finalize your Python setup in your computer. Now we need to use the Python, so we need to write the program. We can use a simple editor as a notepad, but it's better to use the editor which helps you to edit the code specially designed for the Python. The best software is used to write the Python code is PyCharm. So how to install this software, the PyCharm, to write the code? So we will learn about it. So if we are using a simple editor, so it will not inform you about the which type of errors will come in your system. But the special editor which are designed for writing the code of Python is PyCharm. So directly move to the website PyCharm, search in a search box, click on a download link to download it. So here you can see we have a two version of PyCharm, professional and community, depending upon the different types of operating system, Windows, Mac and Linux. So the professional version is a paid version which you can use for the scientific and web Python development for the advanced features like JS and SQL and HTML. But we have to use it just for the learning the Python programming. So you can download the community version of Python. So click on a download button to download the community version, which is a free to use. It is a free open source software which you can directly install in your computer and use it for writing the code for Python. So it will take some time to download. So it's a near about 270 MB file. So download this into your computer system. So after downloading, start the execution of this software. Select the destination folder where you want to install this PyCharm. Select all the checkboxes which will help you to provide the additional information, additional features of PyCharm. Select rest of the things we have to set as default. Click on install button. It will take some time to install this setup in your computer system. So you can see here we have a PyCharm installed in our computer system. Now you can click on reboot to reboot and finalize this setup. So students, in next session we will learn about how to write a code using a PyCharm in our computer system. Thank you. Have a nice day.